Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to find on Run Deals. All I had to do was use the Run Deals app. Make sure you download it from the Play Store. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out some deals. All right, everyone. Check out what I have today. This right here is a facial steamer. You might be asking, what is she talking about? A facial steamer? Well, I'm going to show you how to use this today for all your facial and care needs. Let's check it out. All right, you all. So I've always dealt with some facial acne, especially when I became a teenager. So I read online a good thing to help clear out the pores that are clogged would use a facial steamer. So I just went on the Run Deals, typed in facial steamer, and there it was. I was able to order this. So all you need is, it comes on the back, is this piece right here. You fill it up with water, and then as you see it's leaking a little bit, it's because you attach it back to the back of the facial steamer, okay? I already have it plugged in, and I love that it comes with these beauty tools. These beauty tools are going to help pick those nasty pores and get your face looking and feeling more healthier. With that being said, it's already plugged in. I am going to turn it on. Once it turns on, it has to warm up, kick in. It's going to start doing a little bubble thing, and then it's going to be able to press out or steam out that water onto your face. Once it starts steaming, you're just going to put it right around your face just to get those pores open. I would make sure that I'm in a closed room, like a bathroom, to get this done. I read about it, so that's what they told me, to go into a closed room. And make sure you're not putting this way too close to your face, because as you know, steam is hot and it's going to get a little bit warmer. Okay? Once you're finished, you just turn it off. Take a look at it. That steam is coming right out. It's ready. Instantly, right? I just plugged it in and it's instantly working. This is very quick. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on out. It's just water. No chemicals involved. I'm liking the feeling so far. This is spa-like. I'm thinking if I was sitting in my robe and had the steamer in front of me, I could fall asleep while doing this. So as you can see, it's real simple. It's going to keep steaming. When you're done, all you need to do is turn it off. And as you see, it's slowly slowing down. And then unplug. If you have water in it, you may want to empty it so it will be ready for the next one. And then the next time, you just put new water in it. Just like that, a facial steamer. It's going to help you out. Run Deals have coupons and codes for anything you might imagine. With that being said, make sure you're going on Run Deals weekly to see everything they have. Why wouldn't you do it?